Thinking they can get faster service, your customer first opened a case with an email message, then completed a web form, and now they opened a chat. Unintentionally, your customer created extra work for your support team to manage. CaseMerge Premium uses Automerge to detect and merge cases automatically. In this situation, CaseMerge Premium detected multiple cases from the same person, created within 5 minutes of each other. As soon as each subsequent case was created, Automerge closed the duplicates and directed your support agent to the primary case. Now all of the information and files from the customer are in one place. You can create Automerge criteria specific to your support team's needs by going to the CaseMerge Premium setup and defining the Automerge criteria. How would you use Automerge with CaseMerge Premium to improve your service experience?